beautiful house, incredible landscaping, and perfect location. Can you really have it all? Yes, you can. Hi, I'm Debi Chewerda with RE/MAX Niagara, your guide to hidden gems in the Niagara region. And today, my newest listing is located in the beachy community of Port Dalhousie. Enjoy the tour, but wait till the very end because I have a huge surprise for you. And here's the added bonus. This 10 by 16 studio, fully insulated, 4-season. You've got air conditioning, you've got heat, and you can use it for a she shed, man cave, exercise studio, your outdoor office, whatever your heart desires. If you'd like to see this and the rest of this beautiful home in Port Dalhousie, please call me or text me at 905-321-9997. Cheers to Niagara and Port Dalhousie.